Welcome to another episode with the Small Engine Mechanic. Today, we're diagnosing a Craftsman Rider that won't start. Let's begin. First, we'll check the battery using a voltmeter. We're looking for a reading of 12.4 volts or higher. With 12.6 volts, the battery seems fine. However, we hear a clicking sound from the starter solenoid, not the starter itself, indicating power to the solenoid. To confirm, we'll check if the solenoid is sending power to the starter. The meter shows over 12 volts, confirming power is reaching the starter. Next, we'll ensure the starter has a good ground by performing a continuity test. The meter does zero out, indicating good ground. In conclusion, the starter needs replacement.